Dear students, I welcome you to the course on Six Sigma. I am Dr. Jitesh Thakkar, Associate Professor with Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I broadly operate in the area of supply chain sustainability, Lean and Six Sigma, service operations management, project management, small and medium scale enterprises. You can also refer my couple of publications on Google Scholar in the domain of process excellence and supply chain management. I would discuss the course structure. The video lectures of the Six Sigma course are delivered by Professor Tapan Bagchi on NPTEL. Myself, Dr. Jitesh Thakkar, is offering this course as repurposed MOOC course. My responsibility will include assigning you the assignments, structure of the course, releasing the lectures on weekly basis, and also discussing the solutions of the assignment. The duration of the course is 14 weeks. It is total 40 hours. The course is useful for mechanical engineering, MBA and industrial engineering students. Also, the professionals working in manufacturing and service industry can be benefited through this course. The course structure will include: student will be given a weekly assignment. There will be total 14 assignments. Assignment submission deadline is 10 days. The worked out solution in the form of video lecture will be released after 10 days. Instructor will address the queries of the student through Google Forum. Course includes one exam at the end of the course. Passing marks is 40. Structure of the question paper: section 1 will include recall type questions, 20 questions, each one is of 1 mark. Section 2 assignment based questions, 20 questions, each question is of 2 marks. And section 3, it will be some new question but within syllabus questions, and there could be 20 questions, each one is of 2 marks, or 10 questions, each one is of 4 marks, or 8 questions, each one is of 5 marks. The course coverage is interesting and exhaustive. If you look at the Six Sigma, then it is a defect anything outside of customer specification, and to be tagged Six Sigma, a process must not produce more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Six Sigma is recognized as modern quality strategy to compete and sustain in the global markets. The philosophy of Six Sigma is built on two well-known frameworks: DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve and control, and DMADV, which is define, measure, analyze, design and verify. This course will provide a detailed understanding on both the methodologies to the students. The course intends to cover basic concepts in quality management, TQM, cost of quality, quality engineering and Six Sigma, review of probability and statistics, test of hypothesis. The course will focus on DMAIC process and design improvement, acceptance sampling, statistical process control, process capability, gauge reproducibility and repeatability, and quality function deployment. The course also includes advanced quality control tools like design of experiment, ANOVA, fractional, full and orthogonal experiments, regression model building, Taguchi methods for robust design, and Six Sigma sustainability. The course is designed with a practical orientation and includes cases and industry applications of the concepts. Let us go through the lecture plan. Week 1, you will have 3 lectures. Lecture 1, quality concept and definition. Lecture 2, key concepts in quality management. Lecture 3, fundamentals of total quality management. Week 2 includes Lecture 4, cost of quality and Six Sigma. Lecture 5 Fundamentals of Statistics, Lecture 6 Probability Theory and Concepts, Week 3 Lecture 7 Probability Rules and Events, Lecture 8 Sampling Distribution and Test of Hypothesis, Week 4 Lecture 9 Quality Philosophies and Standards, Lecture 10 Tools for TQM and Continuous Improvement, Lecture 11 Quality Function Deployment and Design Failure Mode Effect Analysis. Week 5 includes 2 lectures, Lecture 12 Quality Awards, Benchmarking and Service Quality, Lecture 13 Service Quality and Process Control, Week 6 Lecture 14 Project Management Complexities and Examples, Lecture 15 Project Management Key Decisions, Work Breakdown Structure, Schedule Development and Cost Estimation, and Lecture 16 is on Project Planning and Scheduling, Network Critical Path Method, PERT Crashing. Week 7 will have 3 lectures, Lecture 17 Measurement Accuracy and Process Variations, Lecture 18 Acceptance Sampling, Lecture 19 Operating Characteristic Curves. Week 8 will include Lecture 20 Design of Sampling Plan, Lecture 21 Basics of Statistic Process Control, Lecture 22 Statistical Process Control for Services. Week 9 Lecture 23 Control Charts for Variables and Attributes, Lecture 24 Process Capability Fundamentals and Various Measures, Lecture 25 Quality Function Deployment and Kano Model. Week 10 Lecture 26 Design of Experiment, Lecture 27 Experimental Design in Product Realization, and Lecture 28 Experimental Setup and Strategies. Week 11 Lecture 29 Factorial Experiment, ANOVA and Response Surface, Lecture 30 Benchmarking, Customer Service and Product Service Performance, Lecture 31 Benchmarks and Performance Measurement, Critical Success Factors and Case Study. Week 12 will focus on Lecture 32 Supply Chain Management, TQM and Quality Chain, Lecture 33 Taguchi Product Design Approach, and Lecture 34 Taguchi's Robot Design. Week 13 Lecture 35 DMAIC Zero Defect and Six Sigma, Lecture 37 Six Sigma Case Study and Tools, and Lecture 37 Design of Manufacturing, Design of Assemble and Reliability Analysis. Finally, Week 14 will include 3 lectures, Lecture 38 Failure Mode and Effect Analysis, Lecture 39 Six Sigma Strategic Planning and Implementation, and Lecture 40 Six Sigma and Operational Excellence and Summary. So, with this we will have the 14 week and 40 lecture 40 hours course plan, and you can also refer couple of books which would be extremely useful in appreciating the concepts of this course. The first one is Forrest W. Bragg-Fogley 3 Implementing Six Sigma, John Wiley and Sons. Second book is Howard S. Gitlow and David M. Levin Six Sigma for Green Belts and Champions, Pearson Education. Third is Evans Jr. and W. M. Lindsay, an Introduction to Six Sigma and Process Improvement, Cengage Public Learning and Publication. Fourth is Montgomery DC Design and Analysis of Experiment, widely used book in the domain of design of experiments. And fifth is a well appreciated book in the domain of quality control, that is Mitra Amitava Fundamentals of Quality Control and Improvement, Wiley India Private Limited. So, with this small course introduction, now we would begin with the various lectures which are delivered by Professor Tapan Bagchi, and every week I would be releasing the video solution of the assignment and also address your queries through Google Forum. Once again, I welcome you to the course and wish you all the best.